Welcome to life in Florida. I need to get some work done on the bug, and of course, it's gonna rain. Just when it appears the rain has stopped, it has not. I open the deck lid, pull the covers off the carbs, and it starts raining. Well, we'll try and get back to this a little bit later. Drove the 63 this week. Had a little bit of an electrical short. Seems the yellow wire from the fuse box up to the light switch had come loose. So every time I hit a little bump in the road, the wire would wiggle and I'd lose all the power to the car. Had me a little freaked out. Figured it out, drove the 40 miles home from work. Not a big deal. And seems to be okay now. I want to get it out and drive it, but we'll wait till the rain stops. We'll get back to it a little bit later. Alright, so I got to messing around with the 63 again. I decided I better put it on the battery charger since I drove it at 50 miles round trip to work and it wasn't charging up since I was having the issue with the short, which I've gotten taken care of. It was the yellow wire I showed you guys earlier. So brought it out, threw it up on the charger, got the stereo installed again, so that's kind of nice. Have some music on the road. Built the pods down here on the bottom for the front kick speakers. And then in the back, deck dropped down because I pulled the seat out, but I got some 6.5s in the back. They sit up on the deck and kind of cover up the luggage compartment. There we go. Oh, that's better. That's the way it normally looks back there. Everything's back where it's supposed to be under the hood. Looks good. Life is good. It's all happy, happy, joy, joy under there. No more electrical shorts. Go ahead and uncover the carburetors. We'll fire it up. Yeah, I'm a rebel. I just run pre-filters on those bad boys on the velocity stacks. That's just the way it goes. I don't need no stinking air filters. Just run on the road. Deck lid's closed most of the time. Not gonna let it get a lot of crap in it. And like I said, I put the pre-filter socks over top of it when I'm driving it. That keeps the majority of the big trash out of it, filters it out pretty well. So it is what it is. I've done it for years. I'm sure there's somebody out there that can tell me a bunch of reasons why it's not a good way to run the carburetors, but I don't know. 30 years, I can take them apart, I can clean them, I can put them back together. They don't scare me. Alright, hopefully we charge. Hopefully. Battery looks good, that's a good sign. It was down to about 9.5 yesterday. There you go, nice. No chokes. It's a little bit lean. It's a little bit cold. It's been sitting out here in the driveway all morning since, well, it rained yesterday afternoon for a couple minutes. I ain't gonna complain about that. As you can see, this bad boy is ice cold. It'll pick up about 50 RPMs once it warms up. Yeah. Let's spin that alternator a little bit. Wants to charge, that's for sure. We'll take it. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. There we go. Kick a little fuel. It likes to run. Well, that's my 63. Great little ride, that's for sure. We love her. Picked her up about a year ago, just the way it sits. Done some motor work, done some brake work. Needs to be restored. Fans are in good shape. Got a little bit of rust here and there. But honestly, guys, you can find a 63 original ragtop for $6,000 and you don't jump on it in that shape, you're fools. That's for damn sure. This is the biggest rust area it's got. I'm gonna have to take this whole panel out. You can see it's got the cancer up underneath the drip area. It needs a little love. Seals look pretty good on the front. Not too shabby, man. Not too shabby at all. I'm gonna let her sit there and idle for a couple minutes. I'm gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna go jump in the pool. It's about 90 degrees. It's hot. It's my wife's daily driver. Little 2008 convertible, inline 5. It's a monster. It's fun as hell to drive. I got it sitting on New Speed springs. It's got Bilstein shocks all the way around. It's like driving a Porsche at this point, except for its front wheel drive. I love it. I know, it's water cooled, but hey, what do you think, man? Mexican Beetles are still cool. It's just a GTI with a body kit. That's all you got to tell yourself. Alright guys, have a great weekend. I'll do another video for you soon. See ya.